Okay, it's the phone right. I need to get lots of use for this. Okay, there we go. Okay. I'm just gonna go and open this fridge door over here. Hope nothing bad happens. Oh no, the milk fell out. I wasn't expecting that at all. Oh, I better put the milk back in. Hope it doesn't fall out this time. I put it in really securely. Let's try that again. Oh no, the milk fell out again. How does this keep happening? I'm so confused. Oh, there's this thing. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. So if I just put the milk there, and then put this in here, there we go, all sorted. DIY man JJ Waring here, always giving you lot helpful tips. Bye.